2027 Storm Track weather with meteorologist Alexis Clemens.
Rain slowly but surely making its way to the east. We've been showing this shot here. This is from UW-Madison looking west, and you can of course see raindrops are on the camera. So slowly but surely we're seeing it move to the east here. 70 is your current temperature now in Madison. Still that wind out of the east-southeast at 16 miles an hour, but we are seeing rain now in the capital city, and that's going to continue to slowly but surely make its way eastward here. Because what we're looking at is just in the last hour or two, we've seen some thunderstorm activity developing in this kind of band here, parts of Iowa, Lafayette County into Greene, Dane County, and then areas to the north. A lot of us are still dry here this evening, but the areas that are seeing rain right now, well, they've been seeing it for the last hour or so. That's going to help with rainfall totals. And that's also kind of the best way to describe this system here. It is a very interesting setup. This is a low pressure system over the Twin Cities. This is an occluded front, basically helping this system just stay right where it is. And what we're going to be seeing with this system is just waves. You can kind of see a line of storms here, a line of storms here from Minnesota into Wisconsin, and then a line of storms along that front. Waves of these showers and thunderstorms, and then they're going to train over the areas that they set up in. So areas just north of the Twin Cities, I believe this is like St. Louis County in Minnesota, over 5 inches of rainfall there, just because one area saw a lot of rain in a smaller amount of time there. That provided a good amount of rain, as that rain just really trained in those areas. 1.2 inches though in parts of that's Columbia, Dodge, Green Lake, Marquette counties, as that rain earlier on today trained over those areas, and then also the areas that are seeing that thunderstorm activity, West Dane County also seeing up to 1 inch of rain just from what we've been seeing over the last 2 hours. So again, we're just going to see these waves of rain here. I think our next wave here going to be between about midnight and 6 a.m. So we could see a rainier Tuesday morning commute. Again, not for everybody, but it's something that we will be tracking through the next several hours here. In fact, next about 48 hours, we have these rain chances. But note here, and you can even see with our future track clouds and radar, plenty of dry time. It's going to be raining in one area, but not necessarily your area. And it's just going to be on and off through Tuesday night and into Wednesday as well. And you can even see here some thunderstorm activity is possible, but it does look like we are not going to see severe activity. Non-severe thunderstorms are good for us. That's going to allow for some higher rainfall totals. And it depends on where that sets up, where that rain, those heavier bands are going to train over. And right now our models are suggesting that stays mostly on the southwestern side of the state there, where they could see 1 to maybe up to 3 inches in those areas. Madison, I still think we see about 1 inch or so. And again, it's going to be very spotty depending on where you are there. Some areas, I think southwest Dane County, going to see a little bit more than the rest of Dane County there. But we have many more rain chances. I think, like I said, your best chance is going to be into Tuesday morning, and then we do have the chance for some spotty showers and storms into Wednesday as well. Temperatures are going to stay in the 60s through Tuesday and Wednesday, 70 on Thursday. Then we're warming up. The last day of September comes on Saturday with a high temperature of 78 degrees. We'll be at 80 though on the second day of October.
We joked with Bob a couple weeks ago that with the fall decorations and the temperature swings, put out the fall decorations, bring them back in when it's summer
Right.
temperatures, and that's the beginning of October.
I know, yeah, maybe fall decorations today and tomorrow, but then yeah, bring out the surfboards or something on Monday.
Up and down.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Alexis.